Yeah, right.
Oh, yeah.
It's sled day, baby. Yep. It's time to go. Your daughter and I got a challenge going on here.
Oh, I know, that's fun. That's what she said.
Sure, she's gonna kick my ass.
They're all ours.
Which is the best one?
Hey, what? Hey, Martha, she wants to show you to go up the jump.
All right, what do you got? Hang on, I'm gonna get you on video. Are you going down, Lily? Hang on.
Guys ready?
We're ready.
Hey, Amy, she wants you to see her go up the jump.
All right, here we go.
Oh, she missed it. Oh, man. Here, bring it back. I'll get you lined up back. This is Lily.
All right, Martha.
Oh, wait.
You
Oh.
do the ramp?
Nice.
Yeah, we missed the ramp again, Lily.
That was awesome.
Now this time we race.
All right.
Hey, want to try my sled proof? Yeah. Okay. That's.
Fuck. Maybe the knees isn't the good idea.
No, I don't think so either.
In fact, I think I just broke your handle.
Nice!